Good afternoon, and welcome to Blockchain Silver, the place where we analyze what in the world is going on in crypto. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin's larger wave 1 and 2. I've compiled all this data, I've put all this together. Normal wave theory is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With an A, B, C correction. And so far, we had our low of 31.22 that happened sometime on December 15th. Also, it could have been the 14th, but it was around that time frame. And then our ultimate high of 13.843. This actually happened on June 26th. And then our ABC correction, that's this date right here, July 17th. So this is a whole 7 month long, almost 7 months, wave 1 and 2. And so how wave theory works is in this, if you go smaller, in this wave 1 here, there would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With an A, B, C correction. And so what we're looking at today is the longer 7 month wave 1. Now normally a wave 1 and a wave 3 are the same exact move. So here, when Bitcoin hit its low at 31.22 and the bear market was over, it went to 56.62. Now this was on April 23rd, so it was quite a while. The time frame was about probably a little over 4 months. And whereas this wave 3 was not, it was only about a month. I think it was a little over a month, like 35 days. So the time frame can get compressed, and this one was even shorter, the wave 5, and it was a higher move. But wave 1 and 3 usually have the same move. And in this case, you take the low and you times it by 1.813 and you arrive to that. You take that number, times it by 0.8853, that's the correction. You take the $5,012, times that by 1.813, we arrive at the 9090. Then you take that, times that by 0.8196, and that brings us down to the 74.50 mark. From 74.50 now, the wave 5, that would be the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're at the beginning of a 5. Times that by 1.85, and we arrive at the 13.843 mark. Now that's our whole calculation for the longer wave 1. I believe we're about to start a wave 3, or we're already in one, with this being wave 1 and wave 2. Now, since this was 7 months long, and this was like 6 months, this one here was only a month, so it's a good possibility that our next rise could be shorter. But really what we're looking for more is the price action instead of what time frame. Obviously, from December to April 23rd, it would have been way better to be in Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, or EOS. Those were some of the top performers during this time, and then Bitcoin finally took off near the end. But I wanted to upload this video. Now, on my next one, we're going to take the wave 2, and we're going to apply the same math and see what it brings us to. Then we're going to do a whole wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence on a longer wave pattern and see what we arrive at. So once again, thank you for coming over to Blockchain Silver. This video is just for fun. I just do this in my spare time. This is not to be taken seriously. This is a hobby of mine, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, come up with your own conclusions before you invest any money in anything. These markets are highly speculative and they're highly volatile. So thank you.